Hey everyone, let's get started. Today we are diving into a brand new AI model that's been making waves. It's called DeepSeek. If you're into AI chatbots like ChatGPT, you will definitely want to stick around because today we are going to compare DeepSeek with ChatGPT and see how it holds up. Alright? And to make things even better, I'll show you how to install DeepSeek on your laptop using Olama so you can run it locally without relying on the cloud or internet. What exactly is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an open source large language model or an LLM developed by a Chinese AI research team. It's designed to be a powerful alternative to models like GPT-4, but with a strong focus on efficiency, cost effectiveness, and offline capabilities. It comes in multiple variants, including DeepSeek Chat and DeepSeek Coder, which are optimized for general AI conversations and coding tasks, respectively. And the best part, you can run it locally using Olama. Take up some time and see how DeepSeek fares against the benchmarks. I, being a programmer, would like to focus on the coding benchmarks first, then we'll do a comparison to see how these models do on the simple reasoning tasks. Here in front of us, we have the GitHub page for the DeepSeek AI. If we scroll through it a little bit, you'll see some comparisons here itself. Let me open up this image separately so we can see it better. Alright, you've got the scores on the vertical axis here and the benchmarks and models on the horizontal axis. Here we have various models. We have the DeepSeek models, we have the Quen, we have the Llama, GPT-4a, we have the famous Cloud Sonnet. The blue striped one is DeepSeek, and you can clearly see here that DeepSeek outperforms all other models on almost all of the coding benchmarks. Let's go deep and do a demo comparison of the reasoning capabilities of both DeepSeek and the ChatGPT. I'm not using a reasoning model for ChatGPT because, well, it's not a free offering, but we'll enable the deep think on the DeepSeek model. We want both the AIs to ponder upon and answer this simple puzzle and explain their reasoning behind it. It's not exactly apples to apples, but still, ChatGPT is a very mature model and has been in the market for more than a year now, while DeepSeek is a new model. So I think that should, in some way, sort of make up for the difference. Let's see how it goes. Let's jump into the fun part of this. Installing the DeepSeek R1 reasoning model on your own machine. The one I'm using right now is a MacBook Air M1. If you have a regular laptop like mine, you need to go for the smaller models. For the bigger ones, you would probably need something like Mac Ultra maybe, alright? So the first step is go to the Olama website, and here on the top you can see the DeepSeek R1 model. The numbers in blue represent the parameters used in the model. So you have 7 options to choose from. Running this from local is very easy. All you need to do is use brew to install Olama and start it. So let's do a quick easy demo for this. Alright, we are installing Olama using brew. All you need to do is just run this command brew install Olama, and then the next one is Olama start. Alright, I'm using a little bit bigger font so that it's visible to you, but if there is something that you're not able to see, let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. Now let's go to the other tab, and here we'll run this command Olama run deepseek r1. Alright, as you can see, it has started. Now, just for fun, what we are going to do is we are going to go back to our original problem statement. Alright, it's here. We'll copy this and ask the model in our local to solve this. As you can see, it's a bit slower because it's running on your laptop. It would have been way faster if it was running on the server. Alright, for the last section of our video, let's summarize our learnings. To make it easy to read and remember, I have put everything in a tabular form here. You can pause the video at this point and take a look, or if you want, you can just take a screenshot so that you can use it later as well. In this table, we are comparing the two systems on three different features: the model performance and accuracy, the availability and cost, and the offline capabilities. Let's start from the top. ChatGPT has been trained on a lot of data and has been fine tuned using reinforcement learning for quite a bit of time, so it is pretty accurate on a lot of fronts. On the other hand, DeepSeek is a fairly new model. It is open source and community driven, so it may not be that refined, but I think from my experiments at least, I have noticed it to be pretty accurate most of the times. Next one is availability and cost. ChatGPT is available through the OpenAI's website. Also, you can go to chat.com and use it. The more advanced models like GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, they are behind a paywall, so you need to pay for it. DeepSeek is open source and free to run locally, so you don't need to pay anything for it. Offline capabilities, ChatGPT has none, while as we have seen in the demo right before this, you can run DeepSeek on your own machine. It's ideal if you are very privacy conscious or if you're working in restricted environments. Alright, that's all I had for you. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.